Hello. Are you a course creators? Event organizers? Entrepreneur? This video is for you. In this video, I'll walk you through GoBrunch key features, pricing, pros and cons, and help you decide if it's the right tool for your business. Make sure to watch till the end for my final verdict and a special tip! So, what exactly is GoBrunch? Unlike traditional video conferencing platforms, GoBrunch provides a virtual event space that mimics real-world layouts. You can create rooms, assign seating, and make the experience feel more interactive. Plus, there's no need to install any software, it's completely web-based. Let's talk about pricing. GoBrunch offers both free and premium plans. The free plan includes unlimited time and up to 409 participants, which is pretty generous. If you need additional features like more branding options and higher participant limits, the paid plans start at $89. Overall, it's a cost-effective solution compared to many competitors. Let me quickly show you how easy it is to get started with GoBrunch. First, go to GoBrunch.com and sign up for a free account. Create your event by choosing a room layout. Customize your settings and invite participants. Once live, interact with attendees through chat, video, and engagement tools. Let's take a look at some of the key features that make GoBrunch stand out. Customizable virtual rooms, set up unique spaces with different layouts. No installation required, access everything from your browser. Multiple room hosting, manage several sessions simultaneously. Engagement tools, use polls, chat, and breakout rooms to keep participants active. Recording options, easily record your sessions for future reference. Flexible access, works on both desktop and mobile devices. Like any tool, GoBrunch has its pros and cons. Here's a quick summary. Heavy checkmark pros. Unique and interactive design. No software installation required. Free plan with great features. Suitable for webinars, meetings, and classrooms. Crossmark cons. Interface might take some getting used to. Limited third-party integrations. Overall, GoBrunch is a fantastic option for anyone looking to host engaging and interactive virtual events. Whether you're an educator, event host, or business professional, it provides a refreshing way to connect with your audience. What do you think about GoBrunch? Have you tried it before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.